If you don't like feeling sluggish but still want to eat healthy, then this breakfast recipe is for you. First, grab a bowl of oats. Oats are packed with fiber, which helps lower your blood pressure. Cook them with some almond milk instead of regular milk. Almond milk is low in phosphorus and potassium, making it kidney-friendly. Next, chop up some fresh berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only tasty, but also rich in antioxidants. Add a handful to your oats. Now, sprinkle in a teaspoon of ground flax seeds. These tiny seeds are powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Top it off with a few slices of banana. Bananas add natural sweetness and a boost of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Finally, drizzle a bit of honey for that extra touch of sweetness. And there you have it, a delicious, heart-healthy breakfast that's kind to your kidneys and helps keep your blood pressure in check. Enjoy your meal and start your day the healthy way. Like and subscribe for more easy and nutritious recipes.